Concrete testing. Type of testing. There are two types of test: field test and laboratory test. In-field slump test is carried out to check the workability of concrete, while cube test is done to check the strength of the concrete. In laboratory, test for aggregate and cement is carried out. Under this test, check the general, mechanical, physical and chemical properties of aggregates. Workability, slump test. Apparatus. Metal mold, in the shape of the frustum of a cone, open at both ends, and provided with a handle. Top internal diameter 100 mm, and bottom internal diameter 200 mm with a height of 300 mm. A 600 mm long bullet-nosed metal rod, 16 mm in diameter used. Place mold on a flat, moist, non-absorbent like a steel plate. Fill the mold to 1/3 full by volume and compact it. Fill the mold to 2/3 full, about 6 inches, and compact it. Heap the concrete on top of the mold. Strike off the top surface of the concrete even to the top of the mold. Remove the mold carefully, take about 5 seconds. Immediately invert and place the mold beside the slumped concrete and place the rod horizontally across the mold, and measure the slump. The slump test should take approximately 2.5 minutes. Average slump. For binding concrete, shallow sections, pavements using pavers use very low workable concrete. In this category of placing conditions where strict control is necessary, workability can be better controlled by controlling compacting factor between 0.75 to 0.8. For mass concrete, lightly reinforced section in slab, beam, walls, columns, canal lining, strip footing, hand-placed pavement, use of concrete having low workability and slump value 25 to 75 mm preferable. For heavily reinforced sections in slab, beam, walls, column, slip form work, pumped concrete, use of medium degree workability concrete and slump value 50 to 175 to 100 mm preferable. For trench filling and in situ concrete, high workability concrete having slump 100 to 150 mm preferable. For tramix, very high workable concrete used. Checklist for cube test mold. Check dimension. Check proper oiling. Check bolts. Check bottom plates. Check rod dimensions. Cube register. Example of cube register is given below. Information filled in cube register. Cube mark. Age of curing. Weight of cube. Dimension of cube. Density of cube. Area of cube. Failure load. Compressive strength. Average compressive strength. Compressive strength calculations for cube. Failure load in Newton per area of cube. Cube test. By this test one judge that whether concreting has been done properly or not. Cube molds of size 15 cm by 15 cm by 15 cm. Concrete is poured in the mold and tempered properly so as not to have any voids. After 24 hours these molds are removed and test specimens are put in water for curing. Specimens are tested by compression testing machine after 7 days and 28 days curing. Load should be applied gradually at the rate of 140 kg per centimeter square per minute till the specimens fails. It gives the compressive strength of concrete. Strength of cube after 7 days and 28 days. Minimum compressive strength of concrete at 7 days is 65% of 28 days strength. Strength of cube after 7 days and 28 days shown below table.